This old world is filled with wonders, but to me there's no place more wonderful than a farm in springtime, when the sun is just lifting on the skyline. The air is so sweet, and everywhere you look, little miracles are happening. Buds swell into blossoms, eggs hatch, young are born. Everything's off to a fresh start, and life is good and busy and brand new. Around the barnyard, big families are a blessing. The more the merrier. Root and grunt, push and shove, room for everybody. Well, everybody except the runt. John Arable had been up since daybreak. He'd seen the size of the pig, and he wasn't looking forward to what had to be done.
Good morning, Papa.
Morning, Fern.
Here are the eggs, Mama.
Thank you, Fern.
What's Papa gonna do with that axe?
Some pigs were born last night.
What does he need an axe for?
One of the pigs was a runt, so your father has to do away with it.
Do away with it? You mean kill it?
Well, yes.
Just because it's smaller than the others?
Don't yell, Fern. The pig would probably die anyway.